I'm super excited. I just got off the phone with two of my students. They're a couple from the East Coast. We're going to do it live in about 2 or 3 days. So you're going to be able to see the full testimony, but I'm super excited. They just closed on their first deal for $5,300. You got it, $5,300 in 2 weeks. Click the link below, learn about the Senior Referral Academy. I've got students in 15 different states across the country. I'm super excited to be able to see and hear about these success stories that my students are experiencing. You know, what makes this a little bit different is that it's just not an online course. I mean, yeah, you'll get the 21 modules, you'll get the 2 additional training videos. One is how to get a paying client in 7 days. I mean, who wouldn't like that? And you'll get the industry documents, but you know what you'll get on a monthly basis? You'll be able to participate in a MasterMind class. You'll be able to participate in weekly coaching calls. Every Wednesday, I get online with my students and they ask me questions. I role play with them, making sure they're trained. What online course is really doing this that's out there? I'll give you training emails, and you can also reach out to me directly. Click the link below, learn about the Senior Referral Academy, hear the testimonies that's on the landing page. Gosh, just do that. Reach out to me. Let's have a phone consultation. What is it going to cost you? 15 minutes to learn about an industry that you could do right at your house. This is my home office. This is where I'm at. This is what you can do. This is where I'm at. I've had a referral agency now for 2 years. The academy was started early part of last year in 2019. We're growing ever since, and students across the United States are embracing this material. Lives are being changed, and they're having a successful, lucrative home business because of it. Click the link below. Let's have a conversation.